All right, folks, let's dive into something super crucial today: building credit from scratch. If you're new to the world of credit, don't worry, I've got your back. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to a solid credit score. First up, let's get the basics down. Your credit score is like your financial report card. It ranges from 300 to 850 and tells lenders how reliable you are at repaying debt. So, how do you start building that score from zero? Step 1. Get a secured credit card. This is your golden ticket. A secured card requires a cash deposit, which acts as your credit limit. Use it responsibly, and you'll start building a positive credit history. Now, always pay your bills on time. This is non-negotiable. Late payments can seriously harm your score. Set up automatic payments if you need to. Next, keep your credit utilization low. This means using less than 30% of your credit limit. If your limit is $500, try not to spend more than $150. This shows lenders you can manage your credit wisely. Another tip: become an authorized user. Ask a family member or a close friend with good credit to add you to their card. You'll benefit from their good credit habits without the responsibility of paying the bill. But make sure they trust you and vice versa. Don't forget to check your credit report regularly. You can get a free report every year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Look for any errors or discrepancies and report them immediately. Finally, be patient. Building credit takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep doing the right things, and your score will reflect that effort. And remember, mishandling credit can have serious financial consequences, so always be mindful of your spending and payment habits. That's it for today's ultimate guide to building credit from scratch. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Until next time, stay smart with your money.